Awaiting orders. Sir.
Through blood, sweat, and determination, the drop zone has been secured. Meanwhile, gargantuan plasma bugs are harassing our fleet as they launch enormous globs of plasma into orbit. But the MI comes prepared and equipped to deal with this predicament. Rocket troopers will swiftly nuke it out of existence.
Look alive! Squad moving out. Come on! Kill them! Kill them all! Affirmative! Come on, you apes! Come on! Affirmative! Come on! Affirmative! Come on! Infantry, standing by.
Rocket troopers unleash their deadly payload. The bug has no answer to superior human firepower. With the plasma bugs destroyed, the mobile infantry regroups for the next stage of the operation.
Troopers! Yes, sir! Roger that. Affirmative! Do it! Roger that. Squad moving out. Kill them! Kill them all! Affirmative. Squad moving out. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Squad moving out. Come on, you apes! Come on! Squad moving out. Come on, you apes! Squad.
A well-ordered battle line has been formed, ready for the next phase of the invasion. The objective, a large bug hive to the east. Terran Command wants it exterminated. As they advance upon this target, our troopers will wipe out any remaining arachnid defenses.
Awaiting orders. Yes, sir. This way! Roger that. Sir.
Big K is spewing out seamlessly endless hordes of arachnids against the brave men and women of the mobile infantry. Fleet officials admit they may have underestimated the bug's defensive capabilities. Dropships have been sent in for a complete evacuation, as a strategic retreat appears necessary to reevaluate the situation.
Look sharp. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Reports have come in of severe arachnid counterattacks all across the planet.
This way. If we ain't dying, we ain't trying. Roger that.
As the fleet is getting hammered by more plasma bugs, casualty predictions already mount in the tens of thousands. It appears the Battle of Klendathu is over. Stay tuned to FedNet for more news on the situation.